It's always, every day, he said, I don't want to be alive, I want to die. I want to die. Because, you know, pain is so much. And he can walk, he can move. 2 days, 3 days, he eat one time.
Like he would sleep for 2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
It's just no movement there at all. Again, but still there? What about here? Okay. These little circles here are totally different size and shape, which suggests that this joint up here, the sacroiliac joint, is not functioning properly. But these measurements are also quite a long way out, which suggests the sacrum's got some rotation. Just shut your eyes and tell me when you can feel this. You felt that? You didn't feel any of these ones? So you're not really feeling anything down this leg at all. Hold it strong. You haven't got much there, have you? Do you think you could handle this correction, or would you like me to continue?
Continue, I will handle it.
Yeah? If you've changed your mind, we can stop.
No, it's alright.
Just going to make a very, very small correction to start with. You might hear some noise or feel a little bit of movement down here, but don't worry, okay?
Right.
Just relax.
Slowly.
That's it.
Yeah.
Breathe slowly.
Oh!
It's alright. It's okay.
Relax. It's gonna be fine after a few minutes.
Let me hold this.
Just be relaxed.
All you got to do is breathe.
Yeah.
I feel less pain on the other side.
Good. I actually think even if you are a little bit hunched over, you're going to be able to walk a bit easier. As you take weight on this, it'll be pretty difficult because you haven't done it for a while. That's it.
Try.
Good. Just take a few steps first because you need to push some fluid out of the joint.
Better? Fantastic.
Step yourself up and see if you can get your
Yes.
torso above your spine.
Try.
It'll take. That's it.
Okay.
That's okay. You don't force it too hard. Those ligaments and tendons have been in the wrong spot
Put your hand up.
for a long time. Does that go down your leg when you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, it's better right now.
That's good. Well, even though that's painful, have you been able to stand that much in the last few months?
No, that's the first time.
That's the first time.
Yeah.
Well, that's great.
It's like slower stomach than it was before.
Feel stronger already?
Yeah.
That's a great sign. Alright, so shut your eyes again and tell me if you feel this.
I feel it not that much.
You felt that then?
Yeah, but not that much.
Well, before you felt nothing.
Yeah.
And that's only 10 minutes.
Yes.
So that's amazing, really. You know, this gives me the confidence that we can continue safely. And lift this toe up. Try and get. You can actually resist my thumb.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm trying to get fixed before my graduation.
How long have we got?
My graduation is in June 17th.
You're putting it on me. I will do my best.
Thank you.
You had no control over those before.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. You slept well for the first time? Yeah. Fantastic. A good start. You've watched him for 4 months now. Does he look different to you? Yeah, good. I still think there's a lot of upper cervical nerve pressure. You can see this needle, it just jumps right at that point. That's where it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. You can see even in this position, that this side of his occiput is very high compared to that one. And if we go back to this film, you can see how that is open on that side and more closed on that side. When I get it in the right place, it's going to be so much better for you. Beautiful. That was perfect. That'll be like a tidal wave coming off. Yeah. You can feel him getting very hot already.
Do you feel it more?
Feels better.
It's a bit overwhelming, isn't it, to have a big adjustment like that? But when I say big, we're not moving it a long way as such, but just having that much pressure taken off the nervous system. Her head was here yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. Looking good, mate.
Yeah. Before, if you want to move, you have to help him.
Pick the leg up.
You know,
Yeah.
with hand. Right now, he can't move. He can't walk easy.
Well, now he's walking heel-toe, which is something he wasn't doing before. And if you notice, he's taking long strides. He's actually getting his feet under his body. Every time you feel it, just say now.
Yeah. Felt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. I felt a lot of difference.
Great. That's really good.
When you like pushed it in, I felt like my spine stretched out. I used to like just to lift it that much, but now it's much better.
Pleasure.
You're the best. Thank you.
My pleasure. See you later. You gave a lift off. That's going to be the best thing that ever happened to you, man.
So he's straight right now. One.
I'm actually really excited to see what happens here.
It's gonna last right here.
So he's going to go from here to here, back up to here again. When he came, he was down here.
8 or 9 times I've been in emergency.
8 or 9 times in emergency.
Yeah.
Wow.
3 months he just stay in the bed, you know, and he take pain medication.
I just didn't want to like even live anymore because my back, I can't even walk anywhere, like in the stores or anything. Like it's so embarrassing.
Yeah.
But after now, it's like I'm so happy. Starter again.
Now he just looks like he plays too much Xbox. There you go. Bring yourself up like this. Good. And walk in that position. Just take some steps. That's what I want it to feel like when you walk. Try and do that to yourself. Turn and look at your dad.
Yeah.
Look what I found.
Wow, man. That's so impressive.
Mate,
Taller than him, huh?
You are taller now. You've done it. High five. Just breathe into this space that you've created. That's it. It's pretty good.
I don't believe it.
I know. It's a big moment. Your family's been through a lot, haven't they? It's hard as a dad because you just think you've lost your son. You've lost your kid.
Alright, Dad.
Give him a hug, mate. He needs it. You know, it's funny because when I first palpated Moon's neck, his butt was there and his back was here and his head was over here. It looked like he was going to be stuck with that forever. Robbie, this is Moon.
Oh, I'm actually the same his height.
Yeah, nearly.
Yeah.
Get taller, yeah.
That's where you got to be, right there.
Are you going to become a chiropractor?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
I'm going to do some adjustment too. They're going to think like we're also
Been to the gym.
yeah.
Yeah.